Something is about to shift in your life, and you might not even see it coming yet. Not because you're doing everything perfectly, not because you've earned it through effort alone, but because Allah has already decided it's time. Give me a few minutes, because this might be the exact moment you needed to hear that. You've been waiting for a clear sign that things are about to shift, some obvious indicator that tells you this is it. Everything is changing now, but real change almost never works that way. It builds quietly first, behind the scenes, long before you can see any evidence of it. The version of your life that's coming is already being assembled. Piece by piece, even in this exact ordinary moment, where nothing seems to be happening at all. Right now, you might feel like you're standing still. Same routine, same struggles, same unanswered question. It's easy to mistake this stillness for stagnation, like nothing is actually moving forward. But some of the most significant changes in your life will trace back to exactly this season, the one that felt the most stuck. What looks like nothing happening is often the quiet setup for everything that's about to happen. You've probably pictured what this shift will look like. A specific outcome, a specific answer, a specific version of relief. But Allah's version of change for you might arrive in a completely different shape than the one you imagined. It might come through a door you never considered, a person you didn't expect, a shift in your own heart before anything external even moves. Stay open to it looking different from your mental picture, because different doesn't mean wrong. It often means better. You don't have to know exactly what's coming to start preparing for it. Keep praying like the answer is close. Keep showing up for the version of yourself that this change requires. Let go of habits and excuses that the old version of you needed, but the new one won't. Change doesn't just happen to you. You meet it halfway by becoming someone ready to receive it. Something in your life is already shifting, whether you can see it yet or not. Comment, I feel it coming, if something in you already believes this. And if someone you know needs this reminder today, send it to them. Allah Hafiz.